Hi Mandy, hi Chad. We spoke briefly last week about me shooting this custom video over to you. So as mentioned, it's going to be about 5 minutes long, and I'm going to compare you to one of the top competitors within your area and see why their website's outranking yours, etc. So I know that y'all are primarily New Braunfels. I wanted to do a little bit of a bigger area to see where we were at. So I went ahead and typed in HVAC companies, San Antonio, Texas, to Google, and as you can see, this area up here is the ad section. That's why it says sponsored. This is the Google Map Pack. I know that y'all are part of it because I saw you on it, and if not, you'd want to be added, but you are. And this right here is the organic section, so this is where the actual ranking begins. As you can see, the top 3 links are all directory links: Angie's List, Yelp, Consumer Affairs. So I'm going to go with the first one that's an actual website of a company below there. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare you to Champion AC. So first things first, I'm going to pull up their website, and we're going to talk about content first. So content is any of the verbiage or wording throughout the website, but we're going to focus on the home page for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste all this content, and I am going to put it into word counter. And as you can see, they have about 317 words worth of content on their homepage. I am going to do the same for yours, if it lets me. Let's see. Okay, start from here. And I'm going to put yours into the word counter. And I can see that you have about 1,000 words of content. Google actually recommends having about 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being that these all provide, opportunities for us to stick in keywords, which will, of course, pull your website up in more Google searches. So that leads me to our next topic, which are keywords. What is a keyword? So a keyword's actually any of the phrases that people Google to pull up your website. So HVAC company, San Antonio, Texas would be a keyword. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put each of your websites into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially like an online website auditing tool. As you can see, they're paying quite a bit per month in ads, but this is the traffic value that they're bringing in. Y'all are paying a little bit as well, but bringing in a decent amount. So next thing that I'm going to do is look at these keywords. They have 4,000 keywords, so let's see what they are. AC repair San Antonio, AC San Antonio, AC repair San Antonio. So words like this, let's say like heating repair near me, HVAC installation near me. So those are nationwide keywords, HVAC company. So although they have a high search volume, they're not really buyer intent, because someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and possibly like bring you up. So that's not really beneficial. I mean, unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon to service them. So we want to stick with more of those local keywords. So let's take a look at yours. So you have a lot of legacy. Some of these are all nationwide: air conditioning, New Braunfels, San Marcos. Let's see. I know that you had a lot of service areas listed, but a lot of these are nationwide keywords. So there are definitely like quite a few opportunities for us to bring in some more local and buyer intent keywords to bring in that service to you. And that leads me to the third topic that we are going to cover, which are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 4.09k times, which means that provides 4.09k more opportunities for this website to be seen and noticed. And if we take a look at your backlinks in a couple clicks, you're linked about 266 times. Now we don't have to outbeat their number of backlinks in order to beat them. We just have to have higher powered, stronger backlinks, which is what we go for in general. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Feel free to incorporate these tips yourself, or use the current company that you are, and provide them with this video, or of course, like, reach out to me for any more information. I would love to help you. Anyways, thank you, and have a great weekend.